Hey everyone, today we're checking out the ProX Regular Bicycle Chain Lubricant, a must-have for bike maintenance. This lubricant comes in a convenient 4-ounce bottle, perfect for keeping your chain running smoothly. It helps reduce friction and wear, extending the life of your drivetrain. Applying it regularly keeps your bike's chain clean and prevents rust and corrosion. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious cyclist, this lubricant ensures a quieter, more efficient ride. Plus, it's easy to apply and works well in various weather conditions. Keep your bike performing at its best with ProX Regular Bicycle Chain Lubricant. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.